We are having this debate from last 2 hours continuously that drugs addicted should be punished or should be cared.
After giving punishment, we are not sure 100% that he will change or not. But I also want to ask you that after counseling them, please don't take the drug. Are you 100% sure that he will left that? And we can change the 100% person. 100% person can who is drug addicted can left their habit. Are you 100% sure? So not also good that if anyone is drug addict and to save their life we have to give him drug again and again. Okay, so this kind of act promote the bad activities of the society. If anyone is drug addict, in my point of view, he should be punished. There is a law. If the government is wrong, he shouldn't make the law for such type of person. Government should also don't. There is a law in our. There is a law. I am telling that drug addiction violate the concept of rule of law as well as against the NDPS Act 1985 and PTIN Act 1988 of IPC. Therefore, it should be punished. I am not telling that to give the punishment. Our government is telling, our law is telling that because it is against the law.
Government is not giving any weight for him and he have to treat himself. Our government doesn't want to lose the talents and people, anyone. No one wants to okay, we can say about others that we must do anything, but what about the parents? Being a parent, you must understand that if your child uh, uh, keep them at your place, that if your child is uh, is crying and uh, is wishing for drugs and he is while talking about the data, we also see the recent Punjab case where almost 80 to 90% of the population was drug addicted, and the government took initiatives. Not only the government, the people living in that region and many other like journalists also took the initiative, and many people were caught and many people were punished, but not no one was given the death punishment. And as you talked about the just give punishment at once, if one is caught while taking drugs, you can't give you can't punish him at once. There is a case in Punjab. His brother was a policeman, and he saw his brother taking drugs. To not to lose his reputation, he asked a doctor to tie him in the bed and don't give him drugs, only give him medicines so that he can recover at the early stages. And do you know what his brother did? He he took the medicine bottle and uh, cut his veins because he was not given the drugs. And what was the gain for the society? He was not killing someone, he was not doing any crimes, he was just taking drugs and sleeping at the corner of the state. But after what he did, he uh, the house lost his glory. But if he was but he was treated like.
And author of BF was Skinner. Extensively studies human behavior. Skinner wrote that a behavior that is punished is likely to repair after the consequence and withdrawn. Additionally, additionally, forcing abstinence through imprisonment isn't treatment, and it doesn't cure addiction. And you are punishing any addiction person who is stay addicted towards uh, alcohol, drugs. You have no any chance that after he completed his punishment, he will like he will changed everything. You are not secure. If you are treating him like a cure, then you are 100% sure he will change. If he will change, then he will uh, throw out from his life.
Don't do that, you don't do that, and people understand, no, never, not at all.
Read it. Just think about the initial situations where you told that first we should care on that thing, means we should not punish him. So when as replacement of care we should punish on their first attempt, then it will the means 100% chances of reduce of the they didn't get addicted from this type of things.
But what about the case I told you in Punjab?
As ma'am told about the what about these cases that ma'am told about that, means they try to convince their family members, but they didn't convince him, but they didn't try to convince, then when we replace the convincement into the punishment, then it will work.
Ma'am told initially on a tobacco packet, cancer is a cause of using tobacco, but all person know that tobacco is a cause of cancer. But in our film star also advertise on a television like Juva Kesri, but like Juva Kesri, then it is responsibility of government, punishment first to this person.
Good morning, everybody. This is Lisa Reshwini. I'm a student of class 5 in Christ Church High School. I belong to Patna. So, the person who addicted to drugs, they should be punished.
Why they should be punished?
Because if they are if we make them understand very softly, they will not understand. Because if my brother do anything naughtiness in the house, if mama understand him softly, he never understand. Then mama started to beat him, he understand very easily.
About you, if I am telling you, you can give example of you also.
If I am not understanding, then mama also beat me.
And then you understand.
Yes.
And this is proof of punishment. Good examples.
Drugs and alcohol, they are not a kid. People who punish them and suddenly they become a normal person. No, they are adult and mature. You can't control them by punishing. If you punish them, they become a more aggressive. Because he is adult, not a child. An adult person only do that things what he likes to do. Nobody can't control them.
So repeatedly you all are telling that we must give the drug addicts punishment. So what kind of punishment are you wishing for them?
Punishments have many types, as we all know that. So we should start with the first step. What is the first step of punishment? Means they punished, means they needed actually drugs. They are drug addicted, obviously. And if someone is drug addicted, then try to extract them, means try to remove from the person from the family members. And if someone is suddenly removed from the family members, then obviously the mindset will comes that I will not try this type of activities, and it will work. And this in this punishment, it grows their mentality, and maybe he will leave all the activities which he used to doing for the his good feeling.
Government make a law, NDPS. This law states that the person that take drugs and alcohol such as, they should be punished as they fine some monies and they went to prisoners for some years. Thank you.
Ganja. If a person take ganja if 1 years, what can I do for this person in family? Also, my grandfathers take alcohol in my father. My grandfather retired for ex-Indian Army. My grandfather also take so many times alcohol in more. After 7 years, he will be dead because his heart is damaged. What can I do for these people? Tell me.
About tobacco and alcohol, because there is a reason, because the government is taking initiative to sell this type of products. The government is sponsoring this type of things, the companies are selling this type of things, and public is without anything without thinking anything, they are buying these type of things. So I can't tell anything about this type of products. But about the drugs, for what we are here, I can speak that drug is totally not totally, but it is abandoned in our country. If we take if we take any type of medicine, it is written schedule. Yeah, I know. Yes. I am speaking. If we take even a small medicine, it is written there that it is a scheduled drug, not to be taken without permission of physician. But without the physician report, are the medicine sellers not giving the medicines? Yes, there are some medicines which nowadays the medicine sellers can't sell without the prescription, just like the sleeping tablets. But before some years, the we only had to go to the medicine shops and ask for these type of medicines, and we could get them. Then that was also the drug. There are many possibilities of taking drug. If you are doing any wrong thing, like you are speaking loudly and fighting with your brother, then is your mother coming with a stick at once, or she is telling you not to fight, not to shout, and then she comes with a stick?
She is warning me that not to do that. If I will come, then I will beat you very tightly. And she is warning me many times. Then I not listen. Then she comes with her stick.
With his brother only, and there is no any situations related to their future. And now we are discussing means addiction of drugs. So addiction of drugs is related to our future. If you regularly addicted to, and you are actually having it regularly, then it will destroy our future. And this is not. I don't think this is related to this type of.
You talk.
So as Pallavi asked a question to Lisa, that when you mama, when you start fighting and speaking loud to your brother, what does your mama do first? As she very honestly answered that when I start fighting and speaking loud to my brother, first mama warns me, and when I continue fighting and speaking loud, mama threat me, and finally mama comes and beat me or scold me or something else. Okay, this is the way of punishment. Okay, so now Pallavi, I want to make you understand that, as you said, when you are not able to understand and follow the rules, we should be punished. You should be punished. So finally we are gathered here in a debate to talk about what we should do with the addicted people who are already not able to understand, who became addicted. So that's the conclusion, that once you are addicted, there is only one option, that is punishment, as Lisa's mother do with her when she is not able to understand what she is trying to make her understand. Simple theory is that LHS is equal to RHS is proved. Finally, the other thing that I want to make you understand is, you ask about what kind of punishment you want to give. Some of the some of the members of the opponent team answered you that there are lots of ways of punishment. If someone is not able to understand, he should be first simple thing is that separate from the family and try to detain somewhere. from the society, so that he could not affect the rest of the members of the family or the society. Otherwise, he should be fined or detained, imprisoned strictly. And there is a law of IPC section. Indian Penal Code allows it. If somebody is drug addicted, he should be strictly treated. That's the solution. Thanks a lot. Now it's your turn.
So that's only what I am trying to say, that if the person is not able to understand, and if he is not willing to understand in any way, we have to leave him no any other way other than treatment. And for this, the punishment is required, but the punishment should not be like the other countries are doing. For example, being slaughtered, and especially being slaughtered in the public. We have to punish them in such a way that the person will not lose anything if he is being killed. If to be frank, but the family, their loved ones, they will lose, and they have done nothing wrong to lose someone.
We say that drug addicted person is not treated like a criminal, but as I think there is a one in my view with very word of Kalidasa, mada parmada kalas nidra buddhi bhacho dharam viprasya. That means to say that if we use the drug, if any person using the drug killed their knowledge, mental status, religious, as well as create nonsense in individuals and his or her social life. So this kind of person, how can we say that this kind of person is beneficial for society, and this kind of person does not do any crime? As we see in everyday our life, most of the crime is happening with the women, with the children, and after doing the crime, what they are saying, to protect themselves, we are taking the drugs and we are not in our senses. So how can we say that this kind of person is not a criminal? If they are doing a crime, they are a criminals. So it depends which type of punishment they are giving, treated with which type of punishment. It depends upon the type of crime they are doing. Okay.
Petal.
I'm not telling about sir home. Point to be noted, sir.
You all are talking about the treatments.
Yes.
Exactly.
Finally, we all
How
are
can
talking
you
about
treat
the
him?
treatment only.
But punishment is.
That is also a treatment.
You all are talking about the treatments.
Yes.
Yes, you are in favor of treatment.
Yes.
So if anyone is addicted to the drugs, you think about it, the treatment will work for them, because if you are addicted to the drugs, if the drugs not comes to you, then it will be punishment for them.
Yes,
Then it will be punishment for them.
if drug
So how
addiction,
you,
if you are not
say that,
providing them
the
drug,
treatment
that
will work
could
on
be
their
also
favor?
one of the punishments.
For other mental
There is
disease.
also other disease, and if in your family anyone suffering from any disease, then you should like abolish from their home.
Sir, according to my point of view, at last I conclude my point with the very words of Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi, that punishment of any crime is necessary. Necessary. Punishment is also a remedy and reformative approach. Thank you.
Punishment is the only one solution to get overcome from this type of addiction. So punishment is very important in this type of addiction. If you are addicted to the drugs, then you must be punished for that. Thank you.
If someone is addicted towards the drugs, we should care we should kept in the hospital where he should care about it, and where he can never get any drugs. That's why he can change, and not a solution he should kept in the prison. Thank you.
Who is taking drugs, he is mentally ill, just like a mad person. Just as we care, and not only care, we give sometimes shock therapies like punishments also. They are also fighting with their minds, and in same way we have to treat the drug addicts. We have to help them fight with their mind, And for that, if even if we have to give them some punishment, it's good, but we have to punish them in such a way that they don't feel that we are against them. They must always feel that we are here to support them, and in this way only we can improve the society, and we can make him happy, and not only him, his loved ones who are willing for him to come back to his normal life and who are willing to spend time with him, can spend time with him normally and happily. So thank you.
Who addicted with drugs, I as like Ravana captured the Sita. It is also like a wrong activity, but when Hanuman came in Lanka, Hanuman also told to Ravana, do not Hanuman also told Ravana, you should came to Charan of Ram, but Hanuman firstly not Hanuman firstly not gave in punishment.
So everyone, means both the teams, have tried their best decisions to support each other's topic, that how and why a person should be punished and why and how a person should be cared. So finally, as Pallavi said, that in Ramayana, when Sita was kidnapped by Ravana, and when Ram reached over there, he firstly tried to convince him that come back to the kindness and to the areas to Ram, and accept and confess your crime, that I have done a mistake. He will forgive you, and let's sort it out this problem. But after that, when Ravana was not agree to return Mata Sita, then Ram decided to punish him, and Hanuman burnt the whole Lanka. Okay, so Pallavi wants to say that we should try to first convince and understand the people, then he sees agree that the person should be punished
In such a way that he is not harmed.
it's okay. So you had taken a wrong example of Ramayana, because Hanuman has burnt the whole Lanka. So that was not a way, that was punishment only. Okay. So finally I want to tell that we are not discussing the topic that people, what should we do with the people who have started being addicted, who have started consuming liquor and drugs. We are talking here to the people who are already addicted, means who are already not able to understand, as Ravana was not ready to return Mata Sita, means we are talking about those people who are not able to leave his habit, means he is already addicted. So according to Pallavi, I think I as well as Pallavi both are ready that people who are not ready to understand should be punished, locked. Thank you. Main target, the main purpose of this debate and the group discussion is to improvise, yourself. So what the thing that you have to improve is, that you need to improve individually, respectively to everyone is, Pallavi, you get stuck sometimes. This is everything is you have fluency, you have grammatical skills, but I want you to improve from the next Sunday is, whenever you start speaking something, just plan for it. And when you start getting stuck, when you think that my mind is getting blank and I'm not able to speak further, stop it and say thanks. Okay. The next part of the term that you want to speak, we have to speak next time. Okay. So this is the thing. And about you were really a strong candidate, a strong opponent of this debate. But what do you think? Are you in the habit of speaking key in Hindi in between? That makes the sentence a bit awkward and easy to be. We have to improve it. And after all, it is okay. Okay, and in between the debate, sometimes I can feel, I can relate to you how you feel and your sensitivity is. When you think that I'm not able to make the people understanding in English such type of matter, we start speaking in Hindi. Because it happens to us to make them feel as I feel. I feel comfortable to speak in Hindi to them to make them 100% understand. So this is that you feel sometimes. So you have to control over here. You have for personality development purposes, for communication purposes, and they don't want to waste their time in grammatical skills or something else. I'm going to give this time to you. So you are welcome to join if you want that batch, because your purpose was to improve. We will work on British accent, phonetics, pronunciation, communication skill, different activities, how to talk in different situations, and how to start the conversation. What should be the attempting order with that type of fluctuation of the words. So we should not regret that I'm not able to understand that.
So that is hindering me from applying for that such type of jobs.
So you want to speak as they speak.
No, I want to understand what they speak.
You want to understand what they speak.
Yes, sir.
So this will help you. This will help you if you have command over the grammatical skill, and if you understand the description and the lines written below. You understand that lines written below. So you want to say that this is you are not able to understand what they speak.
They are speaking so much fast. Yes,
So
I am not able
in the
to
beginning, you can practice to listen them with the help of the earbuds. That will help you to understand them.
So I have tried this thing, but without subtitles, I am only able to listen.